Hey guys, it's calanreece here, and I'm back again today with another food review for you. And today I'm giving you a review of the Dairy Queen. Again, I'm getting another thing from Dairy Queen. S'mores Blizzard. So, here it is. Let's have a look. There's little bits of chocolate in this. A little bit. I think there's a little bit of graham crackers in here too. Really good. It tastes like a real s'more. Definitely good. Got some napkins. Man, that's a good blizzard. Definitely worth getting. It's really delicious. It tastes like you're actually eating a real s'more. And there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and come back next time, and see you later.